Taking a look here at the Inglewood station, one of the many stops on the future LAX Crenshaw line that basically runs from the Expo station all the way close to LAX, but not quite. There'll be another people mover system that'll take you from the metro station to your final destination in LAX. Now here at the corner of Market Street in Florence, by the year 2026, there will be a elevated people mover system. So if you get off at this Inglewood station, you can take that all the way to SoFi Stadium and the future Clippers Arena. Now, the 8.5-mile Crenshaw LAX line is slated to be completed by mid-2021.